Dr. Anand Ranganathan, I'm coming to you, Dr. Sanjay Jha. Dr. Anand Ranganathan, Sanjay Jha, bright man, erudite, knows economics well, and when you know economics well, politics just falls in place. He's just trying to shove the Pawar imbroglio under the carpet. He's trying to say हम opposition के साथ सारा adjustment कर लेंगे. भाई कौन करेगा? Rahul Gandhi, who's wanting to sit with Rahul Gandhi to negotiate? Mamata Banerjee is not coming, Akhilesh Yadav not coming, Kejriwal in Delhi is not sitting in the same meeting with them. And then Sharad Pawar says, forget opposition seat sharing. Even in MVA's seat sharing, there is no consensus. So how can I tell you about 2024? What does this seem like to you, Dr. Anand Ranganathan?
Good evening, Navika, and good evening to my fellow panelists. Notwithstanding the absolutely erudite and intelligent nature of my good friend Dr. Sanjay Jha, I have to say that he is wrong on not just a few counts, but on all counts. Because हो गए नाविका, ये नहीं कि 1-2 साल हुए, 9 साल हो गए, और बच्चा बच्चा ये जानता है कि अगर मोदी को हराना है तो मोदी जैसा बनना है. Do you understand what I mean? अब ये देश जो है ये उल्लू नहीं बन सकता. 20 लोग मोदी को नहीं हरा सकते. आपका फेस कौन है प्राइम मिनिस्टर का? यू हैव टू पिट हिम अगेंस्ट हिम और अगेंस्ट मोदी. दैट इज द ओनली वे यू कैन डिफीट मोदी. अब आप 3 इश्यूज ले लीजिए. इन द लास्ट हाफ एन आवर 2 issues have come up. Principally, one, inflation. The problem with the opposition is it doesn't know which issue to pick up to beat Modi with. Inflation is one of the lowest now currently. CPI is even less than 5%. और आज राजस्थान में मिस्टर गहलोत ने शुरू कर दिया इन्फ्लेशन बचाओ मेला. अरे भाई, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट 7.1% है इंडिया की, राजस्थान की 27% है. आप क्या इश्यूज उठा रहे हैं? करप्शन पे आप सहमति नहीं है. One opposition, Sanjay, please don't interrupt. What I'm trying to say is, you can only defeat Modi now. Everyone knows if you become him, And I just want to repeat this because this is very important for the nation to understand that 2014 win for Modi was different because he was the contender, not the incumbent. 2019 was his real test, and he fared even better. People forget that Modi won 2019 by beating anti-incumbency. He didn't do it with empty rhetoric. ये जो कह रहे हैं, रिजुदा कह रहे हैं, मोदी को जीरो बना देंगे. अरे भाई, वो बैठे हुए हैं क्या मेरे को जीरो बनाने के लिए? He did it through the success of his flagship schemes. Ujjwala, toilet construction, electrification, Jan Dhan. 2024 is not going to be any different. Now let's compare it with what the TMC has done. They're just, 2 examples. We only have to see the non-BJP states. Forget Congress-ruled states. Look at Bengal, Rijuda's state. It opposed Modi's Jal Jeevan scheme, like it has opposed Ayushman Bharat. It began its own Jal Swapno scheme. 2 years have gone by. Not even 10% has been completed this year. This is at the back of a 2013 tap water promise scheme with the help from Japanese GICA. That scheme, supposed to have been completed in 2 years, hasn't been completed yet. In fact, there are charges that Bengal has usurped 7,000 crores given by Modi for his Jal Jeevan scheme for his Jal Swapno scheme. So, Rijuda, I have 2.
What is the CPI inflation rate right now? You want to talk about inflation? Tell me the rate. And number 2, how much of the Jal Swapno scheme has been completed? Give me percentage numbers. Do it, Rijuda.